So now let's see how we can work around with heat distortion and insect vision effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular footage right here, and in order to apply the heat distortion and insect vision effect, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that a distort folder is an option right here, and once I go around and expand it, you can see that heat distortion is an effect right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here, then what happens is that I get the heat distortion effect, as you can see right here. So well, kind of like there's a heat right here, just like this. When it is very hot, you get that effect. So you can go around and increase the scale of that effect right here, and you can go around and change around the distortion level, the diffusion bias, and the diffusion strength of that effect as well. And also you can work around with the animation, as you can see right here. Like you can go around and change around the wind direction, the wind speed right here, and the noise speed as well. And also go around and control out the noise over here, just like this. And you can go around and change around the interpolation right here, and change around the transformation over here as well, and the axis X and Y scale as well. And you can also go around and change around the sub settings and influence and scale, and even go around change around the rotation and change around the offset, as you can see right here, and then work around with the camera center scale as well. So once you do that, what happens is that you see all of these effects, as you can see right here. It is quite wobbly, as you can see right here, and the effect is there. So if I were to go around over here onto this one, let's delete it right here, just like this. Then let's go around onto effects right here, and the other effect we're going to talk about in this video is insect vision. So if I were to go around and click and drag it out right here, then you get an insect vision, as you can see right here, just like you would see from a bee right here. So if I were to go around and then move this, so let's just go around and move the effect right here, so you can see that you can click and drag this out and you see the insect vision. You can go around and expand this out right here, and just like an insect would see something, you get that effect, as you can see right here, just like a bee right here. You can click and drag it out right here to change around the location of the effect, just like this as well. So you can see that this is the preset, this is the hexagon, as you can see right here. As you can see, you can go around and change around the lens size, as you can see right here, by using the slider, and work around with the zoom level, just like this as well. Then there's the iris bulbs, as you can see right here, and you can go around and change this around onto towel or reflect, as you can see at the end right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the insect vision effect right here. You can pull this out right here, and then drag this out here right here, just like this, and get the effect you want. And that is how you can work around with the heat distortion and insect vision effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.